In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair QuickBooks. If QuickBooks has been freezing, crashing, or refusing to open, this walkthrough will guide you through the official tools that resolve most program and installation issues on Windows. We'll keep things simple, explain what each option does, and help you feel confident at every click. Start by closing QuickBooks completely. Make sure any open work is saved so nothing is lost. Next, download the latest QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit's official website. This is a free utility from the maker of QuickBooks, and it brings together several repair tools in one place. Avoid third-party download sites to ensure you're getting the genuine, up-to-date version. Once the download finishes, run the installer, follow the prompts to accept the terms, and open the Tool Hub. You'll likely see a desktop shortcut after installation. Think of the Tool Hub as your command center for diagnosing and fixing common QuickBooks issues. With the Tool Hub open, choose the Program Problems section, then select Quick Fix My Program. This option quickly terminates background processes related to QuickBooks and repairs essential components that can cause the application to hang or fail to launch. It typically finishes within a few minutes. While it runs, let it complete without opening other QuickBooks windows. When it says it's done, reopen QuickBooks and try your usual workflow. Open your company file, switch between modules, or run a report. In many cases, that's all you need to get back on track. If the issue continues after that, head back to the Tool Hub and open the Installation Issues section. Click QuickBooks. Install Diagnostic Tool. This is a deeper scan designed to repair installation-related components that QuickBooks relies on in Windows. It can take around 10 to 20 minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. When it completes, restart your computer. The restart is important because it finalizes the changes made by the diagnostic tool and refreshes Windows services that QuickBooks depends on. After the restart, launch QuickBooks again and test the same actions that were giving you trouble. Most program startup errors, random crashes, and installation hiccups should now be resolved. As a general best practice, keep QuickBooks and Windows updated regularly and maintain consistent backups of your company file so you're protected in the future. That's it. Download and open the Tool Hub, run Quick Fix My Program, and if needed, follow up with the Install Diagnostic Tool and a restart. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you repair QuickBooks quickly and confidently.